Welcome. Thanks for visiting us. This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please comment, subscribe, like and share our videos. Let's continue our discussion on the benefits and detriments of European and Asian cars. Superior performance and engineering. European car manufacturers have long been recognized for their superior performance and engineering prowess. From iconic brands such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche, to niche manufacturers like Aston Martin and Ferrari, European cars are known for their precision and attention to detail. High-performance engines. European carmakers are renowned for their powerful engines, which deliver exhilarating performance and thrilling acceleration. These engines are often engineered with cutting-edge technology, such as turbocharging and direct fuel injection, to maximize power and efficiency. Advanced suspension systems. European cars are equipped with state-of-the-art suspension systems that provide exceptional handling and a smooth ride. These systems are designed to ensure optimal traction and stability, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and precision. Precision engineering. European car manufacturers are known for their meticulous approach to design and engineering. Every component, from the aerodynamic body shape to the interior ergonomics, is carefully crafted to deliver an exceptional driving experience. European cars are built to exacting standards, using high-quality materials and advanced manufacturing techniques. Asian cars, reliable performance and innovative engineering. Asian car manufacturers have made significant strides in recent years, establishing themselves as formidable competitors in the global automotive market. Brands like Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai have gained a reputation for their reliability, fuel efficiency, and innovative engineering. Efficient and eco-friendly engines. Asian carmakers have prioritized fuel efficiency and environmental friendliness in their engineering efforts. They have developed advanced hybrid and electric powertrains, which offer a greener alternative to traditional gasoline engines. Asian cars are often recognized for their excellent fuel economy and reduced emissions. Practical and ergonomic designs. Asian cars are known for their practicality and user-friendly designs. With a focus on maximizing interior space and ensuring comfort for both the driver and passengers, these vehicles offer a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Asian car manufacturers pay attention to ergonomic details, making sure that controls and features are intuitively placed for easy use. Value for money. Asian cars are often considered to offer excellent value for money. They provide a range of features and technologies at a more affordable price point than their European counterparts. Asian car manufacturers have been successful in striking a balance between quality, performance, and affordability, making their vehicles attractive to a wide range of consumers. In conclusion, both European and Asian cars excel in terms of performance and engineering, but they do so in different ways. European cars prioritize power, precision, and luxury, while Asian cars focus on efficiency, reliability, and value. Factors such as personal preference, driving style, and intended use should be taken into account when choosing between these two automotive powerhouses. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to design and aesthetics, European cars and Asian cars each have their own unique characteristics that appeal to different tastes and preferences. Let's explore the design philosophies of both regions. European cars. European car manufacturers are known for their elegant and sophisticated designs that exude luxury and exclusivity. The design language of European cars often reflects a combination of timeless elegance with modern flair. These cars prioritize sleek lines, bold curves, and attention to detail. One of the prominent features of European car design is the use of high-quality materials. From the fine leather upholstery to the polished wood trim, European cars are crafted with precision and craftsmanship. The interior of European cars often provides a luxurious and comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. In terms of exterior design, European cars often have a distinctive and iconic look. Brands such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi have cultivated their unique design identities over the years. Whether it's the iconic kidney grille of BMW or the elegant proportions of a Mercedes-Benz sedan, European car designs are easily recognizable and often associated with prestige and status. Asian car manufacturers, on the other hand, have carved a niche for themselves with their emphasis on practicality, efficiency, and sleekness. Asian car design focuses on clean lines, aerodynamics, and a modern aesthetic that caters to a wide range of consumers. Asian cars are often designed with functionality in mind. The emphasis on practicality means that these cars are designed to maximize interior space, offer user-friendly features, and provide excellent fuel efficiency. This design philosophy is especially evident in popular Asian brands such as Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai. In terms of aesthetics, Asian cars often showcase sleek and sporty designs. With their bold character lines, aggressive front fascia, and dynamic shapes, Asian cars appeal to those who seek a more youthful and energetic look. The interiors of Asian cars are often ergonomic and intuitive, with a focus on user-friendly technology and comfort. In conclusion, European cars and Asian cars have distinct design philosophies that cater to different preferences and tastes. European cars prioritize elegance, luxury, and attention to detail, while Asian cars focus on practicality, efficiency, and modern aesthetics. Whether you prefer the timeless sophistication of European car design or the sleek and sporty look of Asian cars, both regions offer a wide range of options to suit different lifestyles and preferences. Technology and features. European cars' advanced technological innovations. European cars are renowned for their cutting-edge technology and innovative features. These vehicles often serve as pioneers in the automotive industry, incorporating state-of-the-art advancements that enhance performance, safety, and convenience. From sophisticated infotainment systems to driver assistance technologies, European car manufacturers spare no expense in integrating the latest technological marvels. Luxurious interior design. One of the standout features of European cars is their exquisite interior design. These vehicles are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, using premium materials that exude elegance and comfort. From plush leather upholstery to handcrafted wood finishes, stepping inside a European car feels like stepping into a luxurious sanctuary. The ergonomically designed controls and intuitive interfaces further enhance the overall driving experience. Performance and engineering excellence. European car manufacturers have long been synonymous with performance and engineering excellence. These vehicles are engineered to deliver a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience. With powerful engines, precise handling, and advanced suspension systems, European cars offer superior performance on both city streets and winding country roads. Whether it's the renowned German engineering or the Italian passion for speed, European cars are celebrated for their driving dynamics. Asian cars' reliability and fuel efficiency. Asian car manufacturers have made significant strides in producing reliable and fuel-efficient vehicles. With a strong focus on quality and durability, Asian cars have gained a reputation for their long-lasting performance and low maintenance costs. Additionally, many Asian car models excel in fuel efficiency, offering economical transportation options for budget-conscious consumers. Cutting-edge safety features. Asian car manufacturers prioritize safety, and their vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features that provide peace of mind to drivers and passengers. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist systems, Asian cars incorporate intelligent technologies designed to prevent accidents and minimize the severity of collisions. Many Asian brands have also achieved top safety ratings from reputable organizations, further emphasizing their commitment to passenger safety. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our series. We've covered safety and technology, equipping you with valuable insights. If you found this content valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 3, where we'll dive into pricing and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching.